and welcome to TonyaLTV. Today on the menu, I am bringing something different again. So I spoke with my family. They were so in love with that $1 million burger. I will leave you a link on the above. Check that out. But I told them, let's do it, but let's do it with a twist. So today I am making cheesy chili mac turkey burgers, honey. You are gonna want to hang out and watch this. Let's get started. Let me show you what I have over here. I have 2 packages of ground turkey. In this bowl here, I have herbs de Provence, chili powder, a little bit of smoked paprika and chipotle seasoning, onion powder and garlic powder, and I'm gonna put it right on over here. Let's get all this goodness, honey. I don't know why the seasoning loves to kind of hang out on the corners. We gotta get it out, you guys. And I have some salt and pepper here. I'm gonna put it right on over there. We're gonna mix this up, get it over there. Some of it is going to be inside of the mac and cheese, you guys. Oh, and then the rest of it are gonna make those big, juicy turkey burgers. We're using pretzel buns and the cheese. You guys, let me tell you something. If you have never tried rustic red, please, oh my God, if you are a cheese lover, that cheese is so superb. So in this bowl here, I have a little rustic red and also white cheddar. All right, we're gonna put this together, throw our cilantro right over in here, honey, and get it mixed up. By the way, I have my macaroni noodles boiling in the back, and the grill cast iron is heating up for these burgers. You guys, this is going to be a macaroni arena in a minute. All right, guys, you know I deal with layers and layers of flavor. Okay, guys, I got my onions all chopped up, and I have my bacon in the back. It has already baked, and it's ready to be cut up and put on those luscious burgers, honey. So let's add this in here, and we are going to get that mixed up as well. All right. All right, so we're going to get ready to cook some of this in the back, get it ready for the chili, and put the burgers on the grill. Alright, so I got my ground turkey going, and that's going to be for that chili. I have my bread getting ready to toast. My noodles are done. We're getting ready to make these patties and put them on over there. Okay, guys, I will admit, these burgers smell really, really good, and I'm excited for the end result, so I can eat, honey. I got my burgers back there on the grill, and they are looking G-double-O-D. All right, guys, in this bowl here, I have flour, I have milk, butter, and beer. I'm getting ready to start my cheese melt to put over that macaroni, honey, and get that goodness started. This chili macaroni is going to be good. All right, guys, let's get it mixed up. Also, in this flour, I have a little bit of salt, pepper, onion, and garlic powder. To the mix it goes. So I've added my tomato paste over into my meat to start making the chili. I have chili powder, salt, and pepper in this bowl, and I'm just gonna add it right on in there, guys. And make sure you put a little bit of water inside of with the meat and the tomato paste, because you know you need it a little bit slippery to make it actually chili, honey. You want it oozing down with that macaroni. I got my milk started, and when I get to the right consistency, I am going to add in my cheeses, honey. The reason why you see these eggs, I have 2 people in this house, honey. They request eggs on there, so this should be super good. All right, guys. Okay, guys, I just wanted you to be able to see me put my chili inside of this mac and cheese. We're gonna get it all smoothed around. Put it all in there, honey. Look how cheesy. Yes, honey, yes. The burgers are looking super delicious. It's time to put these guys together. And now it's time to build our burger. You're gonna take some of this chili mac and we're gonna put it right on top of this right here. Look at all that steam. Yes, honey, yes. Look at it. Oh my goodness, guys. My family loves these burgers for sure. Right? We're gonna add another piece of meat and we're gonna keep building, honey. Look at that, look at that. Chili mac turkey burger. Yummy, 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 yummy. All right. Next, we're gonna add our fried egg right over the top. And some bacon, honey. Now, isn't that a pretty picture? All right, guys. Until next time. Bye. Remember to live, love, laugh, and create. All right, guys. I'm getting ready to taste this burger. Those real big burgers stacked up this high, you guys, I have to give those to the fam. I can't eat that much, and I'm cooking by their request. So, without further ado, excuse me, let me get this burger and try to see what it's tasting like. I want to see what that ooh and that eyeing about. Let's see. All right, guys. This is so good. That cheese and the pretzel are doing something. Honey, the turkey burger is talking. It's saying, I'm so good. Eat me. All right, guys. Bye.